Welcome to the October 2022 issue of Pumper Magazine. On the cover, Luann and Greg Howland bought a pumping business in 2018. Find out how they've been able to grow revenue by 30% since their first full year in business. COVID-19 has caused a boom in tourism and outdoor events. There's a lack of facilities, and we can't have everyone going where the bears go. See how a nonprofit pumper in Colorado has kept this problem from piling up. Okay, so we all know that social media is here to stay, like it or not, so you might as well get on board. But where do you start? How about by reading this article? Inflation, this economy, and small business. Not a good combination. Our money manager has some tips to help ease the burden by taking advantage of tax laws. Stay up to date with a rule change in Massachusetts that may require all existing systems to be updated within 5 years. Read a great interview with Mike Sample, including a story about some clever detective work he performed. Just because a truck is made for dirty jobs doesn't mean it can't look classy. Get your truck in Pumper Magazine. Advanced treatment technologies can also mean advanced maintenance and monitoring. Follow these tips so you don't void the warranty. Portable sanitation and pumping are a match made in... Well, anyway, check out these great products in the portable side of the business. We also cover the office side and put the spotlight on the F3 Ecolite from Tornado Global Hydrovacs. You want trucks? We've got trucks. And also everything else your business might need in the classifieds. Don't forget, you can see them all at pumper.com. Pumper is all about readers like you. Send your story ideas to editor@pumper.com. Thank you for watching and see you next month.